Years of neglect reveal themselves as the tarp comes off.
A careful connection before the pull begins.
Every movement reminds us how fragile it is.
Stability comes before the journey.
The smell of age and oil tells its own story.
Years of neglect are felt at a touch.
Dash shows every summer it endured.
This is where the biggest questions wait.
Improvised fixes have taken their toll.
Coolant and oil have mixed over time. And
The V8 refuses to turn.
The front frame shows fatigue.
Nothing here is supporting weight properly.
Stopping power is almost gone.
The system has lost integrity.
We need to know if it can be saved.
Every weak point is logged.
Safety comes first before teardown.
Everything must be documented before removal.
Old hardware fights every turn.
Stale fuel drains away.
Ready to lift.
The heart of the car is about to come out.
The teardown reaches a turning point.
Now the inspection can begin.
Years of neglect pour out.
The inside tells a deeper story.
Oil circulation clearly failed.
Each layer is carefully separated.
the engine opens up further.
This confirms long-term internal damage.
Careful force avoids further damage.
The damage is finally visible. A small crack raises big questions. The surface must be perfectly clean. We check how deep the damage goes.
The flaw is real, but limited.
Only a precise fix will last.
Everything else is protected first.
Temperature control is critical for cast iron.
A tiny hole prevents further growth.
Stitching restores strength without welding. The surface is stabilized and even.
Patience protects the repair.
Repair must hold under pressure. Surface finish matters for longevity. Clearances must meet spec. Fresh surfaces for a new life. The foundation of the V8 is rebuilt. Torque values ensure long-term reliability. Each ring must seat correctly.
The rotating assembly comes together.
Strength is locked in step by step.
The engine finally turns freely.
Lubrication is the engine's lifeline.
The engine is closed from below. Compression and sealing return here. Even pressure protects the block. V8 takes shape again.
The engine is nearly complete.
Ignition timing is critical.
The structure gets attention next.
Safety starts with alignment.
The frame is now true.
Corrosion hides underneath.
Thickness and shape must match.
Strength is restored layer by layer.
The floor is solid again.
This stops corrosion from returning.
Everything here has reached its limit.
Ride quality starts at the joints. The stance returns to stock.
Control replies bounce.
Reliable braking starts here. Even clamping force restored. Hydraulics must be leak-free.
Firm pedal feel returns.
Splices are eliminated.
Each joint is made to last.
The interior begins its recovery. Comfort returns without losing character.
The cabin feels whole again.
Everything starts with a clean foundation.
Protection and shine are sealed in. Now the paint needs time to set.
Face of the car returns. Oh, what's going on?
Art goes back home. Strength meets structure. Power and signals restored.
Temperature control is essential.
The engine is ready to wake up. Lubrication comes before ignition.
The V8 comes back to life. It sounds strong and even.
Everything stays where it should.
Reveals its depth. Details complete the look.
Final inspection. The build meets its goals. Response is solid and predictable. Control feels tight and confident.
Details are put back in place.
The El Camino stands on its own again.
Smoothly and confidently.
Stopping power is restored.
El Camino feels composed.